Have you ever visited the hills during rainfall? Probably no. So come on, let's have a ride with me to the beautiful visit. Before it, please do subscribe and press the bell icon. The forest was so scary as in the horror movies. As we approaching ... we saw this. Literally, there was no one in the way. Finally, we saw two guys like us. You can see white fog in the video. We were near to our final destination, but there was a broken tree blocking the road. That's why we returned back. On the way, we saw this little waterfall. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Do subscribe now for such more videos.